Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. I hope this helps you get motivated to get some cleaning done. Today I am cleaning my entire house, minus my daughter's room. She will have to help me with that. It's a little chaotic in there. But today's video is in collab with Yesenia from Mommy Life. She has an amazing channel with a bunch of cleaning videos. And here's a little clip of her video.
Hi, my name is Yesenia. I'm a mother of 4 kids. I do a lot of cleaning videos and lifestyle videos. I would love after you're done watching this video, you will come check me out and consider subscribing.
So definitely go watch her video after you're done watching mine. I will leave a link down below. And I will let the music play and let you get motivated. But if you're coming from Yesenia's channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire.
I'm standing outside my window. I'm standing outside my